Reba's Reading Treasures. It's Reba to the rescue. Come on along and read this sensational story with me. The title, Practice and Performances. Hello, friends! Did you know that Kyrie and I play musical instruments? We do! We are also preparing to practice our instruments and preparing for musical performances with our friends. Of course, we are beginning our day with a delicious breakfast. Today we are having strawberries and cereal. Now we have the fuel we need to practice our instruments. Our friends are here and ready to practice. The music sounds wonderful! Do you agree? It's time to book performances. Kyrie and I are now going to answer email requests for performances. Kyrie, my friends, and I are headed out to the first performance. we are at the first venue, and we are ready to perform our wonderful music. Now it is time to head out for our next performance. This venue is wonderful. It's now time for the concert. How did you like that music? The audience seemed to love it. Mr. Wilson is on his way to our show. He is meeting his friend. Mr. Wilson purchased tickets to our wonderful show and is ready to hear wonderful music. Well, wouldn't you know, there is a problem. Mr. Wilson purchased tickets for tomorrow's show. Mr. Wilson is upset. Mr. Wilson, there are no worries. I am going to correct this issue for you right now. Mr. Wilson, your tickets are good for tonight's show. Kyrie, my friends, and I want you to listen to the beautiful music and enjoy our concert. We want your friend to enjoy the concert as well. Mr. Wilson and his friend are now very happy. It's time to hit the stage!
One, two, three.
What an amazing show! Mr. Wilson and his friend enjoyed the show. We hoped you enjoyed the music as well, friends. Cheers to wonderful, soothing, and amazing music!